Welcome to the King's Academy. My name is Daniel Rodriguez. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at United Data Technologies. Today, we're going to take you on a magical tour of a school campus that has embraced digital signage. What you'll see today is a number of different facilities that are using purposely designed digital signage solutions to engage students, teachers, and parents. Come with me. We are now in the main lobby, where the King's Academy engages students, teachers, and parents for the first time. We believe every school has a story to tell, and at the King's Academy, their story is about excellence in everything. They've chosen to use a Samsung smart digital signage display to deliver relevant content about what's happening on campus, current events, and upcoming events. Let's head to the next facility. Follow me. Welcome to the Media Center. Here at the King's Academy, this is where students have the opportunity to meet, work together on projects, collaborate, and research. With so many opportunities to engage students, the King's Academy decided to put beautiful Samsung smart signage displays all over the Media Center. Here, you can see upcoming events, things that are happening in the Media Center, and news that's important to students every day. Welcome to the Collaboration Station. Here at the King's Academy, students have the opportunity to connect to beautiful Samsung smart signage displays, to connect, collaborate, and share content. We can also, with any device, provide a wireless connection opportunity. Let's see what's happening in the cafeteria. Here in the cafeteria, you'll see 65-inch Samsung smart signage displays installed in an arena-style mount, providing students the opportunity to catch up on what's happening on campus. We've also implemented 55-inch Samsung smart signage displays to deliver digital menu boards in the cafeteria.